Florida homeowners insurance is one of the most misunderstood and most important financial topics for anyone moving to this state. And the reality is, it has changed significantly in recent years. Today, I'm going to give you a clear, honest overview of what you need to know before you buy. Florida's homeowners insurance market has been under pressure for several years. Several major national carriers have reduced their exposure in the state or stopped writing new policies altogether. This has driven premiums up significantly. For a typical home in the Clermont area, annual premiums generally range from $3,000 to $6,000, depending on the age of the home, the roof condition, and specific coverage levels. The good news is that the Florida market has been stabilizing somewhat as insurance reforms have taken effect. But costs remain higher than the national average, and this is a real financial consideration for retirees on fixed incomes. Several factors determine what you will pay. Roof age and condition. This is the single biggest factor. Insurance companies in Florida are increasingly reluctant to insure homes with roofs older than 15 years, and some carriers require a full roof replacement before they will write a policy. Wind mitigation features. Homes with impact-resistant windows, reinforced garage doors, and hip roofs rather than gable roofs qualify for significant discounts. Before buying, ask for the wind mitigation report. Home age and construction type. Newer homes built to post-2001 Florida building codes are much cheaper to insure than older homes. Location and flood zone. While Clermont is generally not in a high-risk flood zone, being near certain lakes or low-lying areas can affect rates. Get multiple quotes from multiple carriers. Rates vary enormously, and shopping around is essential. Invest in a wind mitigation inspection. This $100 to $200 inspection can save you hundreds per year on your premium. Consider a higher deductible if you have the cash reserves to cover it. Ask your agent about Citizens Insurance, Florida's state-backed insurer of last resort, if private market options are too expensive. However, be aware of its limitations. Look for homes with newer roofs, impact windows, and updated electrical systems when shopping. Before you make an offer on any home in Florida, get an insurance quote. I cannot stress this enough. I have seen buyers fall in love with a home only to discover the insurance costs make it unaffordable. Get the quote first and factor it into your budget before you are emotionally attached to the property. We always help our buyers get insurance quotes during the due diligence period, so there are no surprises at closing. Insurance is one of the areas where having an experienced local agent in your corner makes a real difference. Angie and I can connect you with trusted insurance professionals in the Clermont area. Like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.